AI harness engineering tutorial. Get Fable 5 level results with any AI model. Now, the difference between an AI model producing mediocre output and the same model producing exceptional output is not the model producing, great things. It's the harness, the structured environment of prompts, content constraints, and feedback loops that you wrap around the model's raw capability. Now, Fable, one of the most impressive AI storytelling systems, achieve its 5 level quality tiers, but not because it uses a fundamentally different model, but because of its harness engineering, the system design around the general model. Now, this tutorial teaches you the harness engineering principles that produce Fable level results from any capable AI model, whether that is Claude, GPT 4o, Gemini, or even an open source alternative. Now, the principles are model agnostic and the techniques transfer across domains beyond storytelling. Harness engineering is the practice of designing the complete system. Prompts, content management, context management, then output evaluation, feedback loops, and orchestrational logic. Now, that surrounds an AI model to produce consistently excellent results. The model itself is a proper capability engine. The harness is what directs that capability towards a specific high quality outcome. The analog or the analogy is a race car and a driver. The car's engine is the raw capability, the harness, the driver, the race strategy, the pit crew coordination. And that is what turns the capability into a winning result. Now, a great drive in a good car beats a poor driver in a slightly better car almost every time. And this is basically the case of every single, general AI working. So, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be studying the analogy properly for this. Now, Fable's 5 level quality systems is a harness design. Each level represents a progressively more sophisticated harness wrapped around the same underlying model, adding more context, more constraints, more self evaluation, and more structured refinement at each level. Now, the first level of the harness is the most basic and the most underutilized, establishing a clear specific role and content before any generation happens. Most people give AI models tasks without telling the model who it is or what it is actually doing. Okay. The result is average output calibrated to the model's general knowledge rather than expert output calibrated to a specific domain. So, level 1 harness establishes who the AI is, the role, the expertise, and the level, what the specific task is, not just a topic, and what constraints apply. So, length, format, tone, and things to avoid. So, we're going to be doing and accessing that directly over here on Claude. Okay. So, you can access it on Claude by creating a skill for yourself. So, let's say I'm going to create a skill with Claude, and we're going to add that right here. So, of course, we're going to add the 3 elements. As I said, length, format, tone, and things to avoid for this. Okay, these 3 elements alone produce output that's noticeably better than an unguided prompt. So for implementation, you can write a detailed system prompt that fills in all 3 elements before any user-facing content. This system prompt is the foundation that every subsequent harness level builds on. So once we're here, let's add in the proper harness, like I want you to, let's say, be a therapist for me. I want you to be the most knowledgeable and understanding therapist. Be direct and blunt. Don't give me too much philosophy or fluff. just give it to me straight. So that is our first harness. Okay, that is harness level 1 in. Now, level 2 is going to add explicit quality benchmarks. So, examples of what excellent output looks like for this specific task. The AI now has a reference point that is more specific than its general training, calibrating its output towards the quality level that you have demonstrated rather than its actual default median. So, this right here that Claude is asking us is the second harness. So, what should the skill mainly help you work through? So, first and foremost, there is general emotional life processing, specific recurring issue, decision making, getting unstuck. So, we're going to go with that. When you say direct and blunt, should I push back on you when I disagree or mostly just reflect things back sharply? So I'm going to go with mix of both. Should responses be short and punchy or more tar but still no fluff? Let's go with short and punchy. That was the second harness. Good to go. Now, the mechanism here is what's called few shot learning. The model uses the examples as implicit instruction for the style, depth, and format of the expected output. Now, level 2 harness consistently outperformed level 1 on output quality, particularly for tasks where quality is partly stylistic. Now, level 3 is where it's going to introduce a planning phase before the main generation. So rather than going directly from prompt to final output, the harness asks the model to reason through its approach before executing. So for storytelling, this is outlining before actually drafting. And for analysis, it's literally listing the key questions to answer before, actually answering them. So for code, it's describing the architecture before writing it. The planning phase produces better output in the generational phase for two reasons. First off, it forces the model to think about structure, coverage, and approach explicitly before committing to a direction. So you can implement level 3 by going ahead and let's say over here, I want to go ahead and use this skill. So first of all, you give it a proper contextual prompt. Like, hey, I'm going through this, I'm going through that. I want you to talk like this, I want you to talk like that, and then go ahead and ask the model. Now, harness engineering, the 5 levels of role and context exemplars, planning, self-evaluation, and multi-agent review is what separates AI-generated outputs with proper, good, quality knowledge. And that is what we went through with this video. So thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.